This is the Mercedes-Benz GLS450 2020. And my problem is the middle seat here. This is the button up here to push it forward so people can slide in and out of the car easily. But I'm having an issue. So as you can see, the seat is up, it's unlocked. This lock on the left is in the unlock position, but the one here is in the lock position. It seems to be locked, and it's supposed to lock into here, and it's not. So the chair is kind of loose. I got to figure out if there's some kind of release to help me. Do this at your own risk, please. To figure out how to unlock this lock. All right, let me see what I can do. Wow, I just figured it out. Okay, so again, it's in the lock position. I can't get this thing locked. See, this one's open, right? And I remember back in the day, it was just always a combination of something. So in my 70s cars, what you needed to do was like hold the outdoor door handle and then push this unlocked. So I knew it was something like that. It can't be electronic because there's no wires here at all. There's absolutely no wires at all. None. So I just figured it out. I just saw it. This right here. This right here. Okay? Locked. It won't unlock. Okay? Check this out. Push this in. This front thing here. See that? Front thing. That goes up. It's right next to it. Sort of like releasing. You see that little knob thing going down in the middle? Okay? Push that up. Pull the lock open. Look at that. Look how simple that fix was. Up with this. That's it. Push this up. I hope that this saves you a costly repair. Look at that. Unlocked. Now let's try out the seat. So now again, it wasn't locking. The locks unlock. And it can't be anything electronic because again, there's no cables to this. This is a mechanical piece, and that was the release right there. Again, it's right there. That's to put it and then unlock. Now do this at your own risk again. So let me put it back. I'm gonna press the button on top here to let it down. And let's make sure it works. I don't know if I can be able to see it. Locked. Beautiful. And it's working. And now the second seat unlock message in the front console should go away. Let me just confirm that, and we're done. All fixed. GLS 450 2020. I don't know if it applies to any other ones, just in case. Okay, I hope you liked the video. I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Bye now.